good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Shibodan on One Adventure TV. So today, as you guys can see, me and my goat pen, and my goat pen, clean for a while now. Me actually have 6 goat now, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 6 goat now. So that is it. So what me say me I do today? Clean up my goat pen, chop around it and stuff, wash out it and stuff, and show you guys what's going on. So please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to Adventurer TV. Watch the ads, guys. Cause you do this right now, you do the right thing. So let's go ahead right now. Me I go deal with the pen. That's what me I go do right now. So you see through the party apply peeps. Now I get to run like the other party. And you're so close. You say now get to run and go straight to it. Giant. If you can look on the back, we have this. So we pieces are going to stuck in the part we're drying. From here, so one at the bottom, and then I will go down there and I will go creep up here and take up here and all of that. So I have some thick swash. Get some thick swash on it. The mass is sent and all that. That is it. Stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. Let's go get my booth out. Yep. But that is it. So I'm able to show on where I go and then what them reach in. I clean up the house for them and put them in the power. Yeah. But room to sweep it. Pizza. I mean, I them just weed out them. Weed out them from around right here. Then I may have some mint. Chinese, what you call it? Chinese time. They say this I can cook with. I don't know show to be. Can cook with. I may have mint also. I may have aloe vera and leaf of life. I want to. I know me feel me I go transplant in mint. Cause it get whole heap. So I take it from out of the tire and carry it and put it somewhere else. Maybe transplant that one or two. I just make them go and grow for the time being. That is it. Just one there, so. That's it. Come choppy. Clean up brownie. Okay, yes, back. Rosemary now, girl. Like it a growing like it now. So it's a rosemary, guys. Something I planted about 2 days ago. And if you it a work out. Till is that eat. Gimamu. Heavy. Gone. Clean up here, guys. Best as possible. Not go perfect, but just go and work the time being. Arena. That is it. What? You gotta roll it, roll it with me. Roll it. Boy peeps, imagine if me have like 20 goat. But I have to clean this like every 2 weeks. Cause they would have a leg go hard. And then go bush and come back, man. I say all night then turning in the miss a night. Then I dem home every night. Make sure it's like compatible, see. So like how the time hot. Mesh is the best thing. Mesh is the best thing to go on it. And that's why I didn't even put no chapal in pan yet. Because I know say summertime. So like done in the December time now in the winter time. You know say time more cool. So you have to get some chapal in and maybe some heater bulb. Because I think one of them will go have kid. Maybe have kid December or January. And so that is it. So like the sun at now, this is the best thing. So more and more walk me pen. You see my face? So you keep camera ready done pan the ground. Make camera done pan the ground. Alright, hold the camera this let me see. I'll see you been a do it. So more while peeps. More while when me open all the pen in the morning time, they don't come out same time. They would have lie down and spend them own time and come out when they feel like that. One time, sometime he comes, alright, just pull in and left them and watch them and see them. The more they don't come out like as quick as how if me run them out, they would have come out. They lie down in there and walk around and go up and step and walk around in the yard and all of that. And you know, say sun now burn them, but you know, time hot same way. Man, so that is it. Just clean out them place right now, so when they come in, I show no want go and I show no them and stuff and them. I like how they grow. You know, they grow nice. Them come on lovely. 3 kids them, you know, take care of them and thing. Nice and pretty right now. Yeah, and the mother she a breed again. I'm not sure about the next one, but I'm sure about she. Maybe December or January, she gonna have kid again. Yeah man, so that is it. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. I go get them a clean up and stuff. Show them what I go on. And them a see me, you know. I have some fix wash knife on it, as you say, and dilute the scent. Kill out the scent, you know? Kill out the scent, the fix wash. So we already mix it with water already. So just sprinkle it from up here, so you run on the bottom. So I have to do this, so then do this. So once we sprinkle it, so you run on the bottom, you know, say automatically. Let me deal with it. Guys, so see you look there. See you look there, guys. When I thick swash done, you know what I'm saying? Thick swash I kill out the germs and mask the scent, so you don't have a smell. And that is it. So it'll dry. Now let's say it'll dry quick, but it'll dry a little bit faster than when it crowded around. So see it, the mesh come in just handy again, you know, because the breeze are gonna flow through and get it dry before them reach in. Yeah man. So please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to Adventure TV, guys. And man, appreciate the support and everything. And as I say, when time I go them come in, make sure no I go on, cause you can't find them and know. Oh, see my come down yesterday now. See my come down yesterday, guys. See them the guys, they might come up. I go now close. My man, guys, see it there. As me I talk about them, they might come up. Like they hear me, like they know say them pen clean and stuff. And one other one them telling me say, I go have kid maybe December or January. I say by them time they she's supposed to have kid. Yeah man, see them come up here. So look how I go on, peeps. And for our 3 kids, yeah, so you can see her and our 3 kids them. Yeah man, if Been a follow the page a while. Me did post them and then did small. And now them all grown. And that is it. So see them there. Yeah man, them are coming in now today. Yeah, house guys. Guys, in there. Man, them grow nice. And see the new one there. And see fair mommy there. Yeah, man, that is it. The peeps. Straight in and penny man come and smell the thick wash. Yeah man. That is it. So them names now. Alright, so may I give you guys the names. So the mother in there is Gigi. You have Junie. Junie is this one. Junie is the brown one here. You have Gia. You have Jaga. You have Sheba. I have a little small one there, Sheila. Yeah man, so that's their names, you know.